Gobble, gobble! It was all about turkeys at Yang Fan Preschool this week. First up, the Great Turkey Balloon Race. We learned how escaping air makes them fly. It's physics, but we just call it fun.
What is this?
Is it
Turkey, what's this? Bowling pin.
bowling pin?
Our turkeys needed a disguise. Fast. Check out our creations, a bumblebee, a football player, and even Santa. Shh! Then, it was time for some turkey training.
Okay, Sammy.
Yeah. Pineapple.
We matched patterns, spotted the different turkey, found their secret outfits,
So which one?
and
Which turkey is
counted
different?
every
The one's
last
different
gobbler.
is the rabbit. Here.
To the honey.
At Yang Fan Preschool, we spark a love of learning through creative play.